Did you know that RMU offers an online virtual energy advisor? To use it, you visit our website at www.rmurawa.org and click on the Energy Advisor link. That'll take you to our Energy Resource Center. From there, you'll click on the box on the left titled Residential Energy Advisor. The first thing you'll enter in is your city. So you'll enter in Rolla, Missouri. From there, you'll scroll down and you'll click on your house size, whether it be small, medium, or large based on the square footage. Then it needs the number of people in your household, as that can greatly affect how much energy you use. Next, it asks for your cars. The big focus here is they're looking to see if you have an electric car. Next, it asks how much insulation you have. So you have an option if you don't know, or if you have a lot or little. I have some, so that's what I went with. Next, it asks what type of heating and cooling system is in your home. There's a lot of different options there, so you'll want to make sure you look through them and select the right one. I have electric heat with central air. After that, it asks for your average thermostat setting. This is important because the bigger the difference is between the outside temperature and the inside temperatures, the higher your energy bill will be. Then we move on to water heaters. Water heaters, like the furnaces earlier, have a lot of different options, so make sure you select the right one for your home. From there, we go to appliances. The big three that it wants you to hit are your refrigerator, your freezer, and your washer and dryer. Make sure you get the quantities and select on the type of washer and dryer you have. We're getting down to the last couple questions. First, it goes into your lighting. So answer whether you have a few CFL and LEDs, or mostly CFL or LEDs, or just a mix. Finally, it asks, do you have a pool or a hot tub? After that, you click on Show Analysis. It'll take it a few moments to calculate up your results. Your ways to save will pop up. This will give you different ideas and different things you can do to save money around your home. It'll also give you some rough estimates on what you can save by upgrading your systems. Finally, at the bottom, it gives a rough estimate of a breakdown of what your annual energy usage is. Hopefully you found this tutorial useful, and hopefully you find this tool useful.